Hello and welcome to the video on multiple methods using object-oriented programming. What I've got here is I've got a program that's essentially the same as I had before on the last video, except I now added another mini program, this one right here. And I called the program Get It. And what this is going to do, this is going to prompt the user to input the name of a monster, the age, and the race of the monster. And recall, this is my other mini program that I had inside, which was Show It. This was showing the name of the monster, the age of the monster, and the race of the monster, and a pause. All of this is under the class definition, the monster class. If I scroll all the way down here, whoops, right there, all of that defines what this class is. Notice I have on the inside, these are the class members, there are 3, and I have 2 methods now. I have one method, Get It. I have another method that's called Show It. Essentially, these are 2 mini programs inside the class. Once I write these out, I don't ever have to write these out again. I mean, that's the whole thing about using object-oriented programming. It saves time, which, from an employer standpoint, saves money. Like, for example, here's my monster class, and I've instantiated, can't say that word, of course, a new object, my monster, and then another one, your monster, just like it did in the last example. Now I can say my monster get it, and I can say your monster get it. In other words, I can get the information. Then I can say my monster show it, and your monster show it. So once I have the class defined, all I have to do is copy and paste it in any program I want to, and I can just use that stuff over and over again. So let's go ahead and compile this program, and let's see what happens. Okay, there it is, and it comes down here, and it says, okay, what's the name? Well, obviously, I guess this is for my monster. So my monster is George, George, and then let's say George is 34, and let's say his race is an elf, ELF. Okay, and then let's say there's the next monster. This is your monster. How about Harry? And then let's say that Harry is 27, and let's say that he's an orc. Okay, and there it is. Now I see George, 34, and an elf, and that's the next thing I should have seen for my monster show it. And it says press any key to continue, and that's from this pause up here. So I press the key, and I see the next one. I now see your monster, Harry, 27, and an orc. Press any key to continue. So what I see, again, this is just reinforcing the power of object-oriented programming. And part of object-oriented programming is the fact that within a class I can redefine things and create a new data type, and that data type can now not only have members in it, but it can also have many programs in it, like monster class. This is really a lot of stuff. Just that one word right there. That contains too many programs, as well as 3 different properties. So anyway, try this out and see if it works for you. And I just think it's just really cool. Okay, thanks for watching.